Do you feel overwhelmed in finding ways to make money online? Perhaps you might have run your research on legitimate money-making methods, but I know it's a whole mess where you can hardly find anything valuable. It seems as if all the so-called financial advisors are wasting your time. You might feel tired because everyone seems to be selling things that do not make sense. In other words, they just waste your time, and I know that. But if you are really serious about making money online in 2023, you are at the right place. I will tell you what you want to know. However, if you want to get rich overnight without putting in the hard work, perhaps you should skip the video. Because in this video, I will uncover the methods that work best in making money online in 2023. But you will still need to put in the work. Because as you know, the output equals with the input. These are the methods the top online entrepreneurs think are lucrative and can earn you great sum of money. Watch the video until the very end to find out which way suits you the most. Let's get started. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Did you ever help someone sell their products? Imagine that your friend has started a new business selling modern gadgets that help in studying, and you are a professor teaching college students who ask you often about what tools they should use to get better grades. Do you see the pattern? Here, you or your friend can contact each other and make a deal. Since your friend's business is new, he is facing difficulty selling products. However, you have the buyers. Simply, you would make a deal where your friend will offer you a percentage of profit on every sale made. Whenever you send someone to your friend, that person will show a sort of token or anything that proves you have sent them. Does it seem interesting? But why am I telling you about this? Well, affiliate marketing is just the same. However, in affiliate marketing, you don't use your personal contacts to set up these types of deals. Instead, you use your wide social circle on the internet to help businesses sell that also exists on the internet. In other words, you can get a percentage of profits from hundreds of sales with just a few clicks. Platforms and businesses like Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and many more have affiliate marketing programs. You can simply join them and get an affiliate link which works as a type of token to trace when you send a particular buyer. But the question here is, which product would you help sell, and how will you help in the first place? Well, you can research products you love yourself. In other words, if you see a product you think is helpful, you can simply advise others to buy it. Perhaps people might be finding useful that product but could not get it in any store, right? Since you have the affiliate link, you will share it, and the person clicking it will reach the seller's website. Here's how the process works. 1. You get an affiliate link which you share on your website, blog post, or YouTube channel. 2. Customers click on that link and reach the seller's website. 3. Then, the customers purchase that product. 4. The affiliate tracking system records the purchase. 5. The company confirms the purchase. 6. Once that's done, you get the credit, which is a percentage of the profit. Before we continue further, tell me, did you learn something new today? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and legitimate money-making schemes. Let's continue now. Number 2. E-commerce. Do you think you can buy more diverse products online than by physically visiting stores? Well, you are not alone. Changing trends have encouraged people, especially the young generation, to order every product online. In return, this has created space for people looking to make a handsome amount of money easily. Instead of setting up a physical store and spending tens of thousands of dollars, now you can simply set up an online store and start selling products. That's what e-commerce has allowed that we often take for granted. E-commerce sites like Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and Alibaba are making hundreds of billions of dollars, which shows how profitable e-commerce can be for you. But how can you start earning from e-commerce? However, some factors decide whether you will succeed in e-commerce. Who doesn't put in the work can't be a millionaire, right? Therefore, here are the steps you will have to focus on. First, choose your products. Perhaps the best method is to choose the product you love yourself. If you love it, there's more probability that everyone else will also love it. However, you should conduct market research to know the demand for your products and assess the competition. Then you should create a business plan. Develop a business plan that outlines your mission, goals, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projection. Once done, choose an e-commerce platform. Select an e-commerce platform that fits your business needs and budget. You can go with Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Once you do so, you should build your website. Design and develop your website, ensuring it is user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. After that, you should set up payment processing. Choose a payment processing system that accepts various payment methods and integrates with your e-commerce platform. Once you do so, determine shipping and fulfillment methods. Decide on shipping and fulfillment methods that best suit your business and customers. You can choose to handle the shipping and fulfillment yourself or outsource it to a third-party logistics provider. Then comes the most important process most people ignore: marketing your business. Develop a marketing plan that includes social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your website and increase sales. Finally, launch your website. Once your website is ready and you feel everything is in place, launch your business and start selling your products. Number 3, become a virtual assistant. Well, what does an assistant do? He or she works for a person and assists them in doing things like setting a schedule, booking tickets, making arrangements, and things like that. People often don't want to believe one can earn so easily. Well, the reason is rich businessmen and millionaires don't have the time for these trivial things. They always want someone who would do these things for them, and that's why they hire an assistant. However, with changing times now, businessmen and entrepreneurs don't want to have a personal assistant physically with them. Instead, they hire virtual assistants who can be thousands of miles away, but they are connected through the internet. Whenever the entrepreneur needs some help, they will simply let the virtual assistant know, and their job is done. The virtual assistant will hold the reins and do everything he has been assigned. Don't worry, you won't be given any task you could not perform. You could be asked to make schedules and arrange meetings and simple things like that. Not only that, but people who are not millionaires might need virtual assistants as well. For example, imagine someone who runs a small business. However, they do not have the time to talk to the clients and encourage them to buy their products. That's where a highly trained virtual assistant comes in. He will handle the client's communication desk for the business owner, and in return, he will get paid. But where can you find people who will hire you? Simply, you can use websites like Virtual Office Temps, Indeed, Belay, or Woodbows, and many more. You will set up a new profile and that's it. People will contact you and you will get paid. Number 4, blogging. Do you often find yourself reading interesting articles? No, I'm not talking about the boring news articles and opinions that can make you fall asleep. I'm talking about highly engaging blogs and articles about the things you love, like fashion, technology, filmmaking, art and culture, traveling, and much more. Aren't they extremely entertaining? But why am I telling you about this? Well, those articles you read are called blogs, which are written by bloggers. Simply, blogging is a type of online writing where a person creates and publishes articles or posts on a website or blog. In turn, a blog is like an online diary or journal, where the blogger shares their thoughts, opinions, experiences, or information about a particular topic. And the readers subscribe to those blogs and read whenever a new blog is posted. Interestingly, blogging can be about anything, from personal experiences to professional advice or news. Okay, let's say you have a blog, but how will you earn money with it? The answer is when your blog starts to attract readers, your blog starts getting ads. That's the reason why you see blinking ads on websites. In return for showing the ads, you are getting paid. Not only that, but you can share the affiliate marketing links and sponsored posts and get paid more for that as well. Perhaps your blog can be more focused on men grooming or woman care. Hence, you can use the relevant affiliate links and earn more money. Number 5, drop shipping. What if I say you can sell anything you want, even if you don't have it in inventory? How could that be possible? I mean, I have been taught that to sell things, I first have to own them or produce them. And then, how can you sell something which you don't hold? Well, times have changed, so have selling techniques. I'm talking about drop shipping, where you don't really have to have products in the inventory. Let's dig deeper what drop shipping really is. Imagine you have an online store where you sell leather wallets. People visit your store and order those wallets. Once they are ordered, you send the wallets to the given addresses. That's how things normally work. However, in dropshipping, you don't practically have the products you will be selling. Instead, you sell products you could get at lower prices by ordering online from another seller. Whenever someone orders from your store, you order from another seller at a lower price and submit the address your client had submitted. In doing so, you save the difference in prices. You may sell that particular product for $30, but buy it for only $10. Without doing anything, you can just pocket the difference between the cost you paid and the price you sold the product for. Here's how dropshipping really works. 1. A customer places an order on your online store. 2. Once you get the order and the payment, you place an order for the same product at another store. 3. You submit your client's address instead of submitting your address. 4. Then your supplier, who has the physical product, packs and ships the product directly to the customer on behalf of your online store. Number 6. Create online courses. Do you have any skills you're passionate about, regardless of whether they're academic or not? Maybe you're a whiz in the kitchen, an Excel guru, a car repair expert, or you know how to study effectively in just a few hours. It's time to figure out what you're really good at and consider turning that into a source of income. You might be surprised at how many skills you have that others are willing to pay for. And creating online courses is a fantastic way to share your expertise with people all over the world and earn some extra cash. In fact, some professionals make between $20,000 and $50,000 per month from their online courses, while beginners can expect to earn around $2,000 to $5,000 per month on average. That's really insane. If you're interested in creating an online course, the first step is to choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about. Don't worry too much about whether the course will be popular or not, because there are always people out there who are interested in learning what you have to teach. Next, you'll need to choose a platform to host your course, such as Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, Podia, or Thinkific. Once you've picked a platform, you can start filming your course videos and uploading them to the platform. A helpful tip is to offer a portion of your course, maybe around 30% for free, and then charge for the full course. This way, potential learners can get a taste of what you have to offer and will be more willing to pay for the full course once they see how skilled you are. So why not start exploring your skills and interests today? Who knows, you might just have a hidden talent that can make you some serious money. Number 7. Freelancing. Would you like to be your own boss and work whenever you want? What if you could really work from home? If it feels attractive, then freelancing is just for you. However, that does not mean you can earn money without doing anything. You're simply leaving the office and shifting it to your home's workplace. But what will you do in freelancing? Well, there can be numerous things you know but don't know they can be monetized. If you visit freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer.com, Guru, and People Per Hour, you will see hundreds of services people can buy and sell. For example, you can go with graphic designing, digital marketing, writing, translation, video editing, animation, music and audio, programming, data processing, virtual assistants, photography, and many more. Even these categories have subcategories, and we can bet you will find an area you are an expert in. There are simply no limits to the things you can sell on freelancing platforms. People are always looking for someone who can help them in doing something. In return, they want to pay more than you could imagine, and for good reasons. Imagine how much a writer will cost per month. On average, a writer takes $8,000 to $10,000 per month. However, they don't work every hour of the month, right? In other words, businesses have realized that instead of keeping people permanently and paying them every month, why not hire people for particular jobs? In that way, they could pay less, like $2,000, to one of the famous writers for one writing job instead of paying $10,000 to an average writer who writes less often. That's where freelancing was born. If you have some skills, you can easily monetize them and get paid in return, no matter what skill you have. Whether you can write well, design something, edit videos, or do some math, people need freelancers that can work efficiently. To get started with that, you can simply create your profile on the freelancing platforms I just told you about. After that, people will start contacting and hiring you. Which of these approaches did you love the most? Have you picked the one you will follow? No matter what it is, give it some time, focus on it, and you will get the result. Serious people have been earning thousands of dollars every month using these methods, and you can too. Let me know in the comments section which of these methods you think works best and will give you a steady income. Do you want to watch more videos like this one? Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it to get more videos on financial independence and money-making schemes. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, stay tuned.